Hi everyone. As you know, the midterm is timed. One of the ways to keep track of the time is with the history log. I'm going to show you how to set it up in Photoshop. If you have Photoshop open right now, please close it. Then go ahead and start it again. This way we're working from a brand new file. There's no mistakes. You don't have something open you weren't aware of. It just gives you the opportunity to make sure you're starting from scratch. To set up the history log, go up to the top. If you're in a Mac, it will be under Photoshop, Preferences, History Log. If you're on a PC, this command will be a little bit different. It'll be under Edit, Preferences, History Log. Once you have the history log open, make sure this is selected. So make sure the checkbox is selected that says history log. Most likely yours will be turned off. It won't be selected, so go ahead and turn that on. Metadata is fine. And choose the middle option, concise. That's it. Go ahead and click OK. And now we want to start the midterm. So you're going to create a new file after this has been done. File, New. Your file is going to be 1800 by 2500 at 200 pixels per inch. Use an RGB color mode. There it is. I'm going to save this. Last name, first name, midterm. In this case, this is going to be a practice file. I just want to see that my history log is working. It's a Photoshop file, and I'm going to put this on my desktop. It's saved. I'm going to close it for the heck of it. Now I'm going to open it back up. And I want to go in now and test that my history log is working. So after I've saved the file, I can go into File, File Info, click on it. And with Photoshop selected, you can see that I've got a history of the file opening and closing. Now there's not much here right now, but once you get going, once you start doing all the different tasks in Photoshop, there's going to be a history of what's going on. What I'm really interested for the midterm is when the file was opened and when it was closed. However, some of the actions that are happening in here, some of this history, will also let me know that you went through and did all the work during that time period. I'm going to click OK, and just for the heck of it, I'll do a couple of quick steps. I've made a rectangle marquee. Let me fill it. I'll convert it to a smart object. Now I'll add a circle. I'm going to save it. And I'm going to go back and look at the history log now. You see there's some more information in here. This is where the times show up. Every single thing won't have the time on it, but the main saving, opening, closing files, those will have the times attached to them. And that's it. So when you're done with your midterm, you may want to go back and uncheck the history log. There's no point in keeping it checked under normal circumstances. However, a hint is that as you're learning to use Photoshop, this could be a good way to record what you're doing and how you're doing it for a task that you may want to take notes on. It's a good way, it's a good note-taking method should you need it. Otherwise though, go ahead and uncheck it so that the total file size is a little bit smaller.